Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1980 C10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the rivets retaining the factory center frame crossmember. With a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, remove the bolts and nuts located on the bottom of the frame. Then, punch out the remaining rivets using a hole punch. Remove the factory center frame crossmember. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. With the included hardware, use a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench to screw in the 30mm bolts and nuts, holding the center frame crossmember plates in place. Repeat on each end of the crossmember. Slide in the center frame crossmember into place, one side at a time. The plates should be on the bottom. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once in place, use a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench to screw the remaining hardware on each end of the crossmember. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!